Hi, my YouTube family members. How are you? I hope you will be happy and well. Welcome to my Tech Info. Today, my topic is web development. Let's start the video. Website development, also known as web development, encompasses the processes of building, creating, and maintaining websites and web applications. It involves a range of tasks from the initial design and layout to the coding and functionality that allow users to interact with the content. Initially, it's the technical side of bringing a website to life, ensuring it's visually appealing, user friendly, and functions correctly across different devices. Now we discuss about the more details. It's the key aspects of the web development is front end development, back end development, web design, content management system, database management, website maintenance. Now we discuss the detail of these key points. First is that front end development. This focuses on the user interface and the part of the website that user directly interact with. It involves using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the visual elements, layout, and the interactivity. Second is back-end development. The handles the server side logic, databases, and the other behind the scenes functionality that powers the website. Back end developers work and programming languages, database, and servers to ensure the website functions correctly and securely. Third key point is web design. While often considered a separate field, web design is correctly intertwined with web development. It focuses on the visual aspects of the website, including aesthetic, users' experiences, and overall look and feel. And the fourth key point is content management system. Web development can also involve working with CMS platforms like WordPress, Drupal, or Joomla, which allows users to easily manage and update website content without the needing extensive coding knowledge. And the next key point is database management. Websites often store and manage data in database. Web developers need to understand how to design, implement, and maintain these databases to ensure data integrity and efficient retrieval. The last key point is website maintenance. Web development also include ongoing maintenance and updates to ensure the website remains secure, functional, and up to date. In essential, website development is a multifaceted field that combines technical skills with creative problem solving to delivers functional and engaging online experiences. Many people ask different questions like that. What is the meaning of development? The meaning of the web development is that web development is the building and maintain of website and application, but that just the beginning in the growing field. And many people ask about the does website developers do. The website developers is the process of building, programming, and maintaining websites and web applications. Web development users use various programming languages. And many people ask about the website development process. The website process, the following there are 7 steps of web development: information gathering, planning, designing, content, writing and assembly, coding, testing, review, and launch. And many people ask about the basic website development by step guideline. So web development is a collaborative effort between web designers and developers, combining programming, designs, and problem solving like skills too. Web design and web development, mobile and website and web expert and Android web design services in Pakistan, top software agencies for web, iOS and Android application. Website development process. Website process. In this process we discuss about 7 steps. Despite conventional wisdom, the core part of website development and design is not necessary for the coding process. Indeed, such technologies as HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript give the web we know its shape and define the way we interact with the information. But what usually stay behind the scenes and the same time remains the crucial part of the custom website development life cycle are the stages of preliminary information gathering, detailed planning, and the post launch maintenance. The process does not end with choosing a domain name. So, in this article, we will take a look at how to journal process may look like. The overall number of development stages usually varies from 5 to 8, but every time the whole picture stay pretty much the same. Let's choose the average value and look at the following 7 steps of web development: information gathering, planning, designing, content creating, writing and assembly, coding, testing and review and launch, as well as the maintenance.